Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Fusion and I will be showing you how to connect your Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Ford Fusions made from 2010 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to press this phone button on the dashboard, and that will get you into the phone menu. This will take up to 10 seconds and then you will be able to connect the Bluetooth. Okay, once you're in the menu, you can use this knob here on the right side to scroll through the menu options, or press this knob in to make a selection. But first thing you want to do, you have to scroll through the menu options to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. So you want to press OK here, set Bluetooth on, again press OK, and this will turn the Bluetooth on. And once the Bluetooth is on, then you can start connecting the phone. Now from the menu again, if you are adding this device for the first time, you want to scroll and select add Bluetooth device and press OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device.
Now find sync, press OK again.
Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
Now you have the PIN number, and now you have to continue this, and now I will continue this video by recording the screen on my cell phone. On your phone, first you want to enable the Bluetooth. And once you do that, you want to scroll all the way down to available devices. And now it's still getting the device name, but this should be a sync, a Ford sync. Okay, here it is. You want to press that, and that should pair it. And now you want to enter the PIN from the screen on the dashboard. It's a 384999 pair. And now it's connecting to this
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions.
Ford Fusion. That's it. Device is now connected
while your vehicle is in motion.
For both phone calls and the
change
audio.
Your source to Bluetooth audio in the media menu.
And once that is connected, you can set this device as your primary phone if you want. Okay. I mean, you can select yes or no. I'm gonna say no. You can download the phone book from your phone. Again, yes or no. I'm gonna say no. And that's pretty much everything. Now you can use the Bluetooth. And this should work both for the phone calls and for listening to the music over your phone. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.